Welcome back to another Dollar Tree review. In this review, we're going to be reviewing the Daily Defense Enriched with Coconut Oil Shampoo and Conditioners. These are 16 fluid ounces each for $1 a piece at Dollar Tree. The packaging looks more expensive than $1. I love the bright, nice gold black. You have your orange, you have the coconut picture there. It does look like a higher end shampoo, like you would pay more than $1 for this particular product. And these are not the watery kind of shampoos and conditioners you get from Dollar Tree. They're slightly thicker formula. The shampoo smells great. The shampoo also gets your hair clean, and the conditioner actually conditions your hair. The smell does linger in your hair. I personally prefer to wash my hair once a week and usually twice a week in the summer. I want to note that I do not have oily hair, so I think that, you know, it makes it okay that I can get away with that. This is personal preference. I've always been like that, and over washing your hair like every single day will cause your hair, your scalp, your hair follicles to overproduce oil and compensate for you stripping it out of its natural oil every single day, if that makes sense. So these shampoos are low sulfate and sulfate free. I don't know how true any of that is, but I love how clean my hair feels when using the shampoo and how conditioned it actually feels using the conditioner. I have already repurchased this product. I love it that much. And it's a plus that the smell actually lingers in your hair. It's always nice when the scent lingers in your hair as well for long periods of time. I just think this overall is a great product, and I know I always say this, but once again, another hidden gem of the Dollar Tree. Like, a lot of us have tried their shampoos and conditioners and have been burnt over and over and over again. This is not like this. These are actually good shampoo and conditioners. The fact that it actually conditions your hair and gets your hair clean is totally a plus. It's totally worth trying out. And also, I want to clarify, I do not have dyed hair, so I don't know how well this will work in someone that has dyed hair. I can only speak for my experience, and my experience is this shampoo does clean your hair, it does condition your hair, it has a great smell that lingers in your hair. My hair is always so silky and soft after using it, after my hair is dried, for even days after. If I wear it up, if I wear it down, if I wear it braided, it just feels so soft and clean, and it still has a nice coconut smell to it. So I absolutely adore this product. It's fabulous. It's amazing. You need to try it. Definitely hit up your Dollar Tree and pick you up a couple bottles of the shampoo. If you have any other comments or questions, leave them in the comment section below. This is just a regular white shampoo and a white conditioner also. And hope you enjoyed the review, found it helpful. We'll try out the product for yourself because it's pretty awesome. And stay tuned for more Dollar Tree reviews. Subscribe, ring the bell if you haven't already.